Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. For example, we have this function maximum called in here in the main function, and the maximum function is actually defined after the main function. Imagine that we did not have this function prototype. So what would happen is that the compiler would compile the program but wouldn't really check for the integrity of this maximum function because there's no prototype for it. So if there was something missing or something wrong in our calling of the maximum function, for example, we did not provided enough number of parameters and arguments, and then there would be fatal and non-fatal errors in the program, and the C compiler would never know that beforehand before compiling the program. Now, the good thing about a function prototype is that when we have the function prototype in the program, the C compiler will check for the integrity of this function, and it will check that whether this calling of the function actually matches exactly with the definition of the function. And that makes sure that we would not have fatal and non-fatal errors later on in the running of the program. Also, I would like you to know that this hashtag include that we use this as a preprocessor, and we are using the name of the library in here, the header of the library. This is also one type of prototyping. In fact, the hashtag include will actually include all the functions that are available in this standard library, and it will include the prototypes of those functions in this program. Now also take a note that in fact this whole prototype except for the semicolon is exactly the same as the definition of the function. And we can also omit these parameter names in the prototype of the function. For example, this would also be okay if we don't have the names of the parameters in the function prototype. Only the type of the parameters in the function prototype is enough for the function prototype, but we usually include it just to match the header of the function, and it makes it easier to spot errors if there is any. Let's go and run this program, and you would see that we did not got any errors, and this type of function prototyping is still okay. Stay tuned with us as we go into more details of function prototypes in the coming episodes.